Welcome back. Today we're diving into essential items to prepare for any emergency. Let's explore 21 affordable must-haves for your emergency stash. Let's get into it. First up, canned food. It's one of the most reliable staples you can have in your pantry. It's durable, cheap, and essential for any stockpile. Canned food can withstand the test of time and harsh conditions. Canned goods like corn, beans, and tuna last for years and are easy to store. They come with long shelf lives, making them perfect for long-term storage. In a power outage, they ensure you still eat well without cooking. No need for refrigeration or electricity, just open and enjoy. Plus, they're valuable for bartering when food becomes scarce. In times of crisis, canned goods can be as good as currency. Stock up on a variety to meet your needs and others. Different types of canned food ensure you have a balanced diet and options for every meal. A diverse stash makes you a king when grocery stores are empty. Imagine the peace of mind knowing you have a well-stocked pantry when others are scrambling. It's the ultimate survival investment. Canned food is not just about survival, it's about thriving in any situation. Next, bottled water. It's crucial for survival, more so than food. In emergencies, clean water vanishes quickly from shelves. Stock up on cases to ensure you have enough for drinking and sanitation. Water is a top-tier barter item when taps run dry. A single bottle can be worth more than you imagine. Don't underestimate the power of H2O. Toilet paper? Remember the 2020 shortage? It was a moment that made us realize just how much we take this everyday item for granted. Suddenly, something as simple as a roll of toilet paper became a symbol of security and preparedness. People lined up outside stores hoping to grab even a single pack, and shelves were wiped clean in hours. Toilet paper is essential for hygiene and comfort, quietly supporting our daily routines. It's something every household relies on, yet we rarely think about it until it's gone. In times of uncertainty, it becomes even more important, providing a sense of normalcy and dignity. In a crisis, toilet paper can become as valuable as gold. Its scarcity can spark panic, and its presence can bring relief. People have even joked about trading it like precious treasure, but there's truth in that humor. It's lightweight, affordable when bought in bulk, and stores well for long periods. That makes it a smart addition to any emergency supply kit, ensuring you're ready for whatever comes your way. In tough times, a single roll can be surprisingly useful for bartering. People have traded toilet paper for food, medicine, and other essentials, proving its worth beyond just personal use. So, stock up now, while it's easy to find and affordable. You'll thank yourself later for being prepared, and you'll avoid the stress of last-minute shortages. Toilet paper may seem like a small comfort, but in reality, it has a big impact on our well-being. Stay prepared, stay comfortable, and never underestimate the power of the unsung hero in every crisis. Soap and hygiene products are crucial in emergencies. Sanitation breakdowns spread disease. Basic hygiene prevents this. Stock up on bar soap, shampoo, and hand sanitizer. Staying clean keeps you healthy when medical help is scarce. Hygiene products are top-tier barter items. They provide comfort and health, making them invaluable. Don't overlook the power of being clean. Batteries power our world, especially in emergencies. Stock up on common sizes for your devices. They're a personal power company when the grid fails. Batteries are fantastic for bartering, providing power in a tech-dependent world. A surplus of batteries means a surplus of power. Flashlights are essential for safety and security in the dark. Have multiple good-quality flashlights and headlamps. Light is security, and flashlights are high-value barter items. They provide safety and peace of mind. A reliable source of light is crucial in emergencies. Don't be caught in the dark without them. Lighters and matches are essential for creating fire. Fire provides warmth, cooks food, and offers security. Stockpile lighters and waterproof matches. Fire is life, making these tools priceless for bartering. A single lighter can trade for a day's worth of food. Don't be caught without the ability to make fire. It's a smart and cheap prep. First aid supplies are critical in emergencies. Be your own first responder with bandages, antiseptics, and more. Stock up on essentials to treat common injuries. First aid items are high-demand barter goods. They protect you and offer a powerful trade resource. Be prepared to handle medical needs. Over-the-counter medicines are as important as first aid supplies. Stock pain relievers, allergy meds, and cold remedies. These manage common ailments in high-stress situations. Medicine is priceless for bartering, offering relief in emergencies. A small pharmacy ensures comfort and resilience. Don't forget to stock your medicine cabinet. Rice and pasta are the ultimate long-term storage staples, trusted by generations around the world. These simple carbs are not only affordable, but they're also incredibly versatile and easy to store for years, sometimes even decades, when kept dry and sealed. Buying in bulk means you get a huge amount of calorie-dense food for very little money, making it a smart investment for anyone building an emergency pantry or prepping for uncertain times. Rice and pasta form the base of countless meals, from simple stir-fries to hearty soups. In a crisis, they're also valuable for bartering, since everyone needs reliable food. Just a few pounds of rice can be traded for essential supplies like canned goods, batteries, or even medicine, making them a practical currency in tough times. Of course, you'll need water and heat to cook them, but as we've discussed, those are manageable with the right preparation. So, stock up on rice and pasta to build a deep, resilient food pantry. They're not just convenient, they're absolutely essential for survival and peace of mind. Salt and spices transform bland meals and boost morale. Salt is essential for health and flavor. Stock up on basic spices to enhance your food. Historically valuable, they're great barter items. A small bag of spice can trade for significant food. Don't underestimate the power of flavor. Cooking oil adds necessary fats and calories to your diet. It's essential for cooking and enhances meals. Stock oils with a long shelf life, like coconut oil or Crisco. As a barter item, oil is a winner, offering calories and cooking functionality. It's a practical, multi-purpose stockpile item. Seeds are for long-term sustainability. Non-GMO, heirloom seeds offer endless food supply potential. Grow vegetables for a healthy diet and hope. Seeds are valuable for bartering, offering fresh produce. A small investment with infinite return. They're essential for self-reliance. Coffee and tea are crucial for morale. They provide comfort and energy in stressful times. Stock instant coffee and tea bags for long-term storage. As barter items, they're gold, offering relief and peace. A small item with high demand. They're essential for mental strength. High-proof alcohol is versatile for survival. It's an antiseptic, fire starter, and morale booster. Stock cheap, high-proof liquor for multiple uses. Alcohol is a top-tier barter item, offering stress relief and utility. Trade it by the bottle or drink for a massive return. It's a multi-purpose powerhouse. Feminine hygiene products are a necessity, not a luxury. Stock tampons and pads for hygiene and health. They're lightweight, store indefinitely, and are priceless for bartering. Many overlook this, creating high demand. A single box can trade for critical supplies. It's a smart, compassionate stockpile item. Dental care is critical in emergencies. Stock toothbrushes and toothpaste to prevent serious issues. They're cheap, easy to store, and save you from pain. As barter items, they offer comfort and health. A new toothbrush and toothpaste are appealing trades. Don't neglect your dental stockpile. Duct tape is a versatile survival tool. It repairs, crafts, and solves countless problems. Stock multiple rolls of industrial-quality duct tape. It's a phenomenal barter item, offering solutions to many issues. A roll of duct tape is invaluable for repairs. Never underestimate its power. Trash bags are critical for sanitation and organization. Heavy-duty bags manage waste and have multiple uses. They're waterproof liners, rain ponchos, and more. Stock strong contractor bags for versatility. As barter items, they're practical and valuable. They're a perfect addition to your stockpile. Candles are a low-tech, reliable light source. They provide light, heat, and a calming effect. Stock emergency candles and tea lights for long-term use. Candles are great barter items, offering simple, understandable light. Trade them individually or in packs. They're a valuable, easy-to-store commodity. Multi-tools and basic hand tools are essential for repairs. A good multi-tool is a compact toolbox. Stock a small toolkit for basic repairs and building. Tools are high-value barter items, offering repair solutions. Knowledge of tool use is a barterable skill. Tools give you a massive advantage. There you have it. 21 essential items for emergencies. Start small, be consistent, and build your stockpile. It's about peace of mind, not fear. Preparedness brings security and self-reliance. Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's help each other. Stay safe, be prepared, and see you in the next video.